Hello everyone, I am Nisarga. Now I will presenting the topic stratified sampling and cluster sampling. Let's we see the meaning of a stratified sampling. Stratified sampling is a category under the probability sampling which is based on dividing a population into strata and the members for the sample are selected randomly from this strata. In the stratified sampling, the strata must be homogeneous and also collectively exhaustive and mutually exclusive as well. The strata must be defined a part of population. Moreover, the members of a sample must be distinct, that is, every element must be a part of one and only one strata in the population requires to be a part of a samples. To ensure precision and reduce the sampling errors, simple random sampling is employed in each stratum. Calculate your margin of errors using a margin of errors calculator. Stratified sampling method, it is also called as a random quota sampling. Characteristics of a stratified sampling. Each member of a sample is a stratified sampling are chosen randomly from the homogeneous and non-overlapping strata. Second one is member of a sample must be belong to one and only one strata so that the sample can be represent the entire population. Next, third one is stratified samples is in the case of a population density which varies majorly with the target region can estimate with the accuracy in the different part of the region. Fourth one is when the strata during the measurement have a lower standard deviation, stratification ensures a reduction in error in estimation. Next is the stratified sampling key points. A population is divided into strata by random selection. Next one is the simplest explanation of a strata is a group of members of a population. Simple random sampling is then performed on these strata to form samples. Next one is a cluster sampling. Often used in the market research tools, cluster sampling is a technique used when the homogeneity in external but heterogeneity in internal with the clusters or a grouping. It is a process of dividing a population into multiple groups or a clusters. Cluster sampling is generally used to reduce the number of interviews and the cost reach the desired accuracy. When the majority of a heterogeneity is internal with a group of a fixed sample size, the chance of a random error is reduced. In the cluster sampling, there are a single stage, two stage or a multiple stage sampling method in cluster sampling. These methods depend upon the number of steps required to create the desired sample. One stage or a single stage cluster sampling in case when all elements in each cluster sample are sampled. Two-stage cluster sampling when from each of these clusters is a simple random subsample of an element is chosen. Next, characteristics of a cluster sampling. Cluster sampling is a cost effective in the contrasts on other sampling techniques. Next one is survey on the large population are handled with the help of a cluster sampling. Next, third one is in a cluster sampling, the population should be heterogeneous, but there must be a homogeneity between the clusters or a group. The clusters must be a representative of the total population. Next, cluster sampling key points. Naturally existing group are chosen to be a part of a final sample set, mainly used in the market research. In this technique, a population is divided into clusters, and these clusters are randomly chosen to be a part of a sample. Next is a difference between the stratified sampling and cluster sampling. Factors of comparison. First one is definition. In stratified sampling, members of this sample are randomly chosen from non-overlapping homogeneous strata. Cluster sampling, members of this sample are chosen from naturally divided group called clusters by randomly selecting the element to be a part of a sample. Next one is a purpose. Cost reduction and increased efficiency, enhanced precision and population decision. Next one is a selection of elements that form a sample contingently and distinctly. Division type. Stratified sampling is naturally formed and the cluster sampling is depend upon the researcher. Stratified sampling is externally between the various strata, and cluster sampling internally with the clusters. Homogeneity. Stratified sampling is internally with the strata, and the cluster sampling is externally between the various clusters. Thank you.